There are 8 counters in a bag. There is a number on each counter, so you can see the numbers are like 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Fiona takes at random 3 of the counters and she adds the numbers on the 3 counters to get a total. So we need to work out the probability that her total is an odd number. So we need to work out in how many ways you can get an odd number. So you would need to have, if you are picking it, the outcome is odd, the total is odd, so you could have an odd plus odd plus odd will give you an odd number. I could also get an odd number by adding 2 even numbers, so even numbers and 1 odd number. So you can check it out. So 2 even numbers, so 4 plus 4 and 5, so that's 8 and 5 is 13. So then 2 and 4 is 6 and 1 is 7. So it would give you an odd number. So adding up 2 even numbers and an odd number. Now the ordering matters. So in one case, so one of the cases is Fiona picks an even number first and then an even number and then an odd number. So she could also pick an even number first and then an odd number and then an even number, or she could pick an odd number first and then an even number and then an even number. So all of these three cases would result in an odd number. So we need to work out the probabilities for each of these and we need to add them up. So that would give us the answer. So the probability of the first one, odd, so if I write odd, is odd plus odd plus odd. This is not 0, this is O. I don't know how to write else. So odd plus odd plus odd, and that would give me so how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write here 5 odd numbers and 3 even numbers. So then the probability of the first number being odd would be 5 out of 8. Second one is odd. That would be 4 out of 7 multiplied by 3 out of 6. And that would give me 20 times 360 and divided by 336. So that's the first case. So then we'd work out the next one. We said it's even plus odd. The even numbers, there are 3 even numbers, so 3 out of 8, first one, multiplied by one number is gone, remaining 2 out of 7, multiplied by 1 out of, we said even plus even, so that's 2 out of 7. But the odd numbers now, all the odd numbers are there, so 5 out of 6. So we would get 6 times 5 is 30, out of 3, 36. So the next case would be even plus odd plus even. So the result would be the same, but I would still do it. Okay, so the even first is 3 out of 8 times the odd one would be 5 out of 7 times another even, so 2 out of 6. So we again get 30 out of 3, 36. So the last case be O plus E plus E, and that is odd is 5 out of 8. Then you'd have even, so that would be 3 out of 7 multiplied by 2 out of 6. So that would again be 336. So the answer would be the total of these of all these cases. So answer is 60 out of 336 plus 30 out of So I can just say 30 times 3. So that would give me 60 plus 90 out of 336. That is 150. And I have to simplify it. So I would get, if I do 3 times 50, 1, 2, and then dividing by 2, 2 times 25 out of, so I get 25 out of 56, and this is the answer.